Hello my friends and welcome to another episode of Inside Out Electronics. And today we're probably not gonna get inside of anything. Because today we have a review of Western Digital 2TB of this cute little hard drive. This is a little backup. I think we need to make sure our files are safe. Quite useful little device, I think, and let's take a look what it is. Also, for your safety and protection, there is a little neoprene sort of kind of style, a soft carrying case, probably for this sort of hard drive. And maybe for any other hard drive which is gonna fit in this particular space, but this one definitely gonna do. So, let's take a look what we have here. I already opened it accidentally because was so eager to take a look at it, but I didn't unbox it completely. So let's talk about what it is, and there is not much really shown here. This is just regular 2TB hard drive, not SSD hard drive. It's spinny things inside, and it's only 2TB. It has USB 3 interface. Is it USB 3? And it has hardware encryption. You have to watch out for that one. If you turn on your encryption on one computer, you may not be able to read this stuff on any other computer. That could be a problem. And that's it. 3 years of limited warranty, password protection, and things like that. Okay, let's take a look at this little hard drive. Nothing, anything else here. There is nothing else there. And we have user manual, which obviously we're not gonna take a look at. A tiny USB 3 cable. I was actually expecting USB-C. Honestly, I was so hoping that this gonna be USB-C. Didn't happen. This is just USB 3. Still gonna work. Is not as future-proof. Then we have this little cute clamshell and a little hard drive inside. It's a bit of a hefty hard drive. It feels like decent weight, but I think it doesn't have SATA interface. It's cool. So this little teeny tiny hard drive doesn't have SATA interface. Just USB 3. I'm just wondering, like, can I open it? I'm just wondering if they directly baked in a USB 3 straight into the controller without omitting the SATA interface completely, it's just okay, or even actually good, eliminating some of the middleman. Let's say, why would you need SATA interface if you have if you're just gonna use it and it looks like it's completely sealed, if you're just gonna use it with USB 3. That's pretty cool. So, product of Thailand, it's Western Digital My Passport, whatever serial number is blah blah blah, product number is WDBYVG0020BBL-0B. Yeah. That's it, and this dude is 2 TB in size. Okay, let's take this little cute hard drive and put it inside this portable. Oh my god, it's just a bit annoying. Just pull this out. This portable case, it's a bit actually too oversized. If you're gonna buy this a particular case, which is WKC 2044-03090, is gonna be a little bit too big. Whatever it says for my passport for Mac, but it's a little bit too big, I would say, for my liking. But because there is a different versions of passport which is like a bit fatter and thicker than this one, but still probably gonna work a treat to protect your little hard drive during trips, which these days a little bit limited for all of us. but there is also plenty of space for your cable, and that's it. The only downside of this sort of cases, I'm not sure if this is gonna show up on the camera, this ain't gonna collect lint like crazy, and it's not gonna be pretty. So if this case would be like blue color or yellow color or red color, it would be nicer, but this black collects stuff like no tomorrow. So yeah, this is a little hard drive. It weighs, but I'll be back. And obviously I'm not gonna check official specs, I just gonna measure everything myself. So little hard drive weighs 117 grams. I don't know if, I hope you see that. With the case and the cable, that's gonna be 168 grams. I know this is very important information. Very important information, yeah. Now, again, I'm not gonna trust official specs, I'm gonna use my calipers to check the dimension. Okay, let's check the dimensions of the case. Definitely we all need calipers. 73.69 millimeters wide, 105.97, let's say 106 millimeter tall, and thick, yeah, 9.84 millimeter thick. Wow, let's call it 10. That's not bad. It weighs a little bit more than 100 grams. That's pretty cool. Well, whatever left is to actually check performance. I will connect it to the computer and we see how fast is this guy. I'm just also curious if this encryption operational, does it slow down read and write operations, or it's completely seamless? That'll be nice to know. Okay, well, let me check the performance. I'm gonna show you my findings. Alright, here are the performance, and I think performance is more or less decent for this teeny tiny hard drive. I'm not going to disassemble it. I'm so tempted, and it's actually probably disassemblable. Yeah, I think if I pry this open, it's worked. But this is not my hard drive. I have no rights to pull it apart because I didn't pay for it. So it has to be operational and in one piece. Not gonna touch it. Performance numbers are relatively decent because, I mean, keep in mind, this is USB 3 portable hard drive. It is tested on an i5 computer. It just doesn't really matter, but still quite important to understand that bottleneck is USB 3 performance, which is actually, in my opinion, is CPU dependent. If you are loaded, if your computer is loaded, your USB 3 performance is gonna be degraded, so keep that in mind. So, but it's little portable hard drive, it probably can withstand some G. I'll put some numbers here because I didn't read any specification, and maybe I also include some information if other people already took this hard drive apart to see what kind of drive is inside. Some sort of hybrid, or this is straight out a regular hard drive, what kind of amount of cache it has and things like that. Potentially all this information can be seen using the smart hard drive tools. Okay, well, thank you guys for watching. I think this is gonna be it of this little unboxing video and also unboxing performance video. More detailed information of each individual test I'm gonna include on my website. Please find the link below, and thank you for watching, and see you next time in another episode of Inside Out Electronics. Ciao!